Welcome to how to make money from ChatGPT tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to make money from ChatGPT by freelancing. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. Simply, you can go to any freelancing site and sign up as a freelancer like Fiverr. If you search for writing a blog, you will see that there's a lot of freelancers who do their work from $5 to $100 and more and more. So a lot of these people actually use AI and ChatGPT for their work. So you actually can go to ChatGPT and tell him to write a blog about the thing that your client wants. Like, write me a blog about eating fish. And as you see, ChatGPT will generate you a blog about eating fishes. So you can edit this blog and do anything with it and then upload it to your clients. And there's a lot more work that you can do as a freelancer. You can do email writing service, you can do translating from any language to any language. So you can always go to ChatGPT and I can tell him to translate any language. Like, I can copy this blog and as you see, ChatGPT will start generating the Japanese blog. So that's how ChatGPT can help you in freelancing. It can do your work or it can make it easier. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.